Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the chapter of the mirror and the lights. We know that the mirror and lights are the most important topics on based the class 10th on concept of the science. Today we are studying the 20 MCQ question which are the most important. Please come and see the most important question. The first important question, the image formed by a plane mirror is option A real, option B virtual, option C both, option D no. Correct answer will be B is correct. Question number 2. The angle of the incidence is equal to option A angle of deviation, angle of reflection, angle of refraction, none of these. The correct answer will be B angle of the reflection. Question number 3. Mirror used in vehicle as rear view mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, none of these. Correct answer will be convex mirror. Question number 4. 3. Mirror used in a vehicle as a rear mirror as a convex mirror. Question number 4. A concave mirror forms a real image when object is option A at focus, option B between F and P, option C beyond focus, option D at pole. Correct answer beyond focus. Option C is correct. Question number 5. The focal length of a plane mirror is option A 0, option B infinite, option C 1, option D minus 1. Correct answer will be infinite. Question number 6. Speed of light is maximum in option A water, option B glass, option C air, option D vacuum. Correct answer will be D in the vacuum. Question number 6. Speed of light is maximum in water, glass, air, vacuum. Correct answer will be D vacuum. Question number 7. Refraction happens due to change in speed of light, direction only, color known. The correct answer is speed of the light. We know that the speed of the light is the change from one medium to another medium that is the cause of the refraction. Question number 8. Lens used in magnifying glass concave, option B convex, option C plane, option D non. Correct answer will be B convex. Question number 8. 9. Power of lens is measured by option A meter, option B diopter, option C watt, option D joule. Correct answer will be B diopter. Power of lens is measured in a diopter. Diopter is the unit of the power. Question number 10. If the focal length is 50 cm, power will be option A 2 diopter, option B minus 2 diopter, option C 0.5 diopter. Option D 1 diopter. Correct answer will be 2 diopter. Question number 11. Concave mirror is used in option A shaving mirror, rear view mirror, window, none. Correct answer will shaving mirror. Question 12. Image formed by convex mirror is always real, inverted, virtual and erect, known. Correct answer will be C, virtual and erect. Question number 30. When light enters from air to glass, it speed up, slow up, stops, known, slow down. Option B is correct. Question number 14. The refractive index depends on color, medium, both, known, both. It means refractive index depends on the color and medium. Lens formula: A. V is equal to U plus F. B. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. C. V is equal to U upon F. D. None of the. The correct answer will be none of the. 16. Real image is always erect, inverted, small, big. Correct answer will be inverted. Question number 17. Convex lens is also called diverging lens, converging lens, plane lens, known. The correct answer will be converging lens. Question number 80. Unit of the focal length is meter, diopter, second, watt. Correct answer will be a meter. Question number 19. When object is at infinity, image formed by convex lens, it is infinity focus between focus and 2f pole. Correct answer will be B at the focus. Question number 20. Concave lens always form image real, virtual, inverted, large. The correct answer will be virtual. Then thank you so much, nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.